Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20 and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force restart your device. So it is a very useful operation if for some reason the device and the screen in your device do not respond to your touches. So all you have to do in order to soft reset your device is to hold the power button, which is right here, and the volume up button together. So let me try to do it. Let me press the volume up button and the power button together, and let me at least try. Okay. All right. It will work probably right now, so all we have to do is to simply keep pressing those buttons until we will see the black screen. And as you can see, we've got the black screen, and let's hold, and I felt the vibration, so I can release the buttons. Here we've got the developer of Android logo. After that we will see the Nokia logo, so it means that after that our device will be restarted, and I hope that the screen will get back to its normal state. So actually this is it. This is how to soft reset your Nokia G20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.